organization and how the organization is working currently. We can also have our own organization and also we can also develop our projects. So previously, before coming into the AWS, we have to depend upon other companies like data centers. If you heard about something like a data centers, okay,
Yes.
so data centers is nothing but suppose if you want to deploy our application, what we will do, we will take the help of this data center. So those servers are maintained by this data center. We will share the code and they will take the entire work like backupping, application downtime, without downtime, and 24/7 they are providing the electricity, power, ACs, everything they are taking care of it. Okay, so only we are writing the
Yeah.
code, we are sharing the code. So before this cloud technologies came into picture, everything we need to depend upon the other companies. So ownership and maintenance activity we are giving them. So now after a certain time, what will happen? So now this cloud platform technologies, no need to depend on any data centers. You can build your own thing. I'm providing the platform for you. What are the things you want to perform it? You can do with the cloud platforms. For example, once one IT employee joins in an organization, so once he step in and once he step out from the organization, what are the individual IT employees doing it? So every activity we can perform in the cloud platform. Suppose I'm a database engineer. I don't need to purchase any kind of a license here. So what are the database activities? So everything we'll get it from the cloud platform. So my role is a developer role. My role is a system engineer role. My role is a storage engineer. My role is a system admin, database, network, any activity, any role which we are taking for the IT employee. What are the need of IT employee or IT company required? So everything this cloud platform technologies is providing a platform, providing the options. Okay, what are the if you require 100 servers? Suppose my employees are 100 employees are there. So what we will do? So we will contact some vendors like HP, Dell. So those companies will contact it. We will company make an agreement. Like we required 100 server, 100 laptops we required, or we are making agreement for 1 year. So after 1 year, they will follow the renewal process. But here we are depending upon some other third-party vendors for our requirement. But if you are using a cloud platform technologies, within a fraction of seconds, within a fraction of minutes, so we can create entire what are the things required for IT company, everything we can build with the help of AWS. So AWS or Azure or GCP, it is a platform-based service. What are the needs of IT employee required? So we can get it. For example, you require 100 servers. So with AWS, within a fraction of minutes, we can get 100 servers. Okay, so for that one, what are the needs of a IT company required? If you want to start up your small company, I want to purchase domain name. I want to require servers. I want to deploy the code. I want to expose the code. I want to provide a DNS name to the application. So same thing, everything we can get it from the AWS. So if you want
Mhm.
to do any kind of a work in a server, we need to go to the company. But if you have an AWS account, if you are an AWS engineer, you can travel anywhere. Just if you have the internet, we can connect it and we can work from anywhere. So that is the benefit of using cloud. Even in case of disasters happening in your company, if some company is maintaining some critical data in your company, some earthquakes or any building collapse happen, our data will be lost. But in case of AWS, it is providing a 99.9% data guarantee. In case of anything goes wrong, they will provide the entire data for you. Okay. So AWS also, these are also called as a data centers only, but they are providing the platform for you. It's not free, it's a chargeable. How much usage you are doing, that much bill they are provide for you. You have to pay the bill for it. Okay, so most of the companies are now migrating their applications or entire infrastructure, everything into the cloud platforms. So one of the cloud platform and trending platform is AWS. So and it was developed by Amazon. And it is also having 100 plus services are there based upon the requirement of different types of customers and different types of products they are using by different kind of a companies. They want to develop their own products into the AWS services. I want to go with some machine learning, data, machine learning things, IoT things, Internet of Things. I want to deploy application, exposing the application, web-based application. Okay, any type of project you are want to handle it. So it is supported based upon the requirement. It will be supported 100 plus services. But if you want to learn